We interrupt this intro to bring you for a
Barney error.
This error is only a test for the part of the intro. However, will not give you any chances or the time. This is just an intro. And remember, this video is only for entertainment purposes only. With that, I'm off.
Okay, sir. It is safe to turn off your computer.
Ladies and gentlemen, the touch screens are having technical difficulties. Please stand by during the flight.
We interrupt your in-flight entertainment system for a Barney error. Barney was killed by Spider-Man. This error will disappear within 35 minutes. Please do not touch the screen during the error. You can read a book, play a game, or take a nap. But do not touch the screen. If you do, then Barney will stall this Airbus A321 aircraft. And the plane will crash a drumheller in Alberta because this aircraft will make an emergency landing in Calgary during the flight. We saw that somebody touched the screen. It was Kira Harukawa sitting in row 12B. And Kira Harukawa, you didn't listen to Barney about touching the screen. Barney will now give you the code challenge.
I'm sorry, but the code was incorrect. The correct code was 2161. If you have entered that, then you would have continued on your flight. But no. This means you're grounded for 400 days. I'm now disabling the in-flight systems. I am also strolling the Airbus A321 aircraft. Say goodbye to you and your life. Welcome back, sir. Did you enjoy watching this video?
Yes, I did.
Congratulations. You actually deserve a big cheer. Keep up pure awesome error videos. Goodbye.